Hello everyone, welcome back to our beginner Excel course. Today, we are going to learn a very important and useful skill, how to paste data in Excel. In simple terms, this means how to copy data from one place to another. Now, let me show you. Here, I have a data table, and I want to copy the data from cell C3 down to cell C4. To do this, first select cell C3, right-click on it, and choose Copy. Next, select cell C4, right-click again, and choose Paste. And just like that, the data from C3 has been copied perfectly to C4, including not just the number, but also the formatting, like colors or fonts. This is great when you want to keep your data looking consistent. Now let's look at another example. I have a total value calculated in a cell, but sometimes you don't want to copy the formula behind it, just the actual result. For example, here the total value is 3,500, but it comes from a formula. If I copy and paste normally, it will copy the formula too, which may cause problems if you paste it somewhere else. To paste only the value without the formula, you do this. Right-click on the original cell and choose Copy as before. Then on the cell where you want to paste, right-click and under the Paste options, select Paste Values. This will paste only the number 3,500, not the formula. This is very helpful when you want to share data without formulas or when preparing reports. You can easily tell the difference because the pasted cell now just has a number. No formula bar shows any formula. Another handy tip for quick copying is using the fill handle. When you select a cell, move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the cell until the cursor changes to a small black plus sign. Then click and drag down or across to the cells where you want to copy the data or formula. This method automatically fills the selected cells and is super useful for working with large data sets. Remember, mastering copying and pasting in Excel can save you lots of time and effort when working with your data. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next lessons in this beginner Excel course. See you next time.